continue on the animation, talking about the method, which is the animate method. We didn't use that too much during the earlier sample. I thanks your patience to watch. If you come along with the sequence, you watch the number 16 and 17 in the last two videos. You observe is what's the frustration and the little difficulties for dealing the Manim installation once I have a new PC, a current one, and then there's a kind of the back and forth, but finally it's good that we have the money also up and running on this the fresh clean PC. So let's continue for that. So I also encourage of you is it's not waste time to myself feeling is if you face the same these situations to me, don't worry about that. Is try to find out any alternative way or even work around this to make your work continue. So luckily is now we have the complete installation. And during that is we also know this Manim CE and Manim, they may have a different effect and different dependencies. So install different version may have the different results. So keep in mind learning that, and I believe Manim itself also keep evolving. So we will see the new versions soon, sooner or later. So let's go to our part is first of all is all the past the information already put into the GitHub. So on this number 4 building block is already two folders. If you go to the upper tutorial, I have put source code on this sequence. So just for you to easier navigate and you can jump to which features you want to learn directly. And as I mentioned, is those the folder or subfolder also organize the matching the name of the numbers of the video or these sections or lectures. So you can try to matching that and come to the right subfolder so that you don't waste your time. So now we are in this 4.2. This video is we're talking about a method. So any property of our object can be changed and that can be animated. So which means is if you can change your object, this object object can be animated. So that means is any method that changes our object property can be used as an animation through this use of animate this method. So if you click this, you may see here is that is coming to the reference guide, this animate section. So as I mentioned, is in our this mind map, you may see here we are now in this part. So animate or animations. But no worry is once we finish tutorial, we will go to the guide and we will look at this example gallery. Afterwards, then we will move to this reference menu. So with that is we have whole things we may also go through in more detail. Every parts, if they have a demo, we will structure that onto that demo. And from those is I may link back to our these parts to have a look. For example, is if I see here animate, so then that is let's open that in new method. I can demo to you is later on what I will making those. So here is our animate method. So where is that chapters? So it's not, yeah, you can see here is under this box. So here, and with this box, so that have two for parts. So if I say here is box, that is the object And later on is we will see we have M object, and before that is we have a group. And within the M object is we have this animate method. So that animate method is may have the linkage. So later, when we come to the reference menu more, you may see this mind map will getting busier and busier. So because I will starting to create a relationship so that you can navigate. Because from here is for you the easier navigate is even I close here in the free plan. You can right click and right click this link. Then you can see here, you can go to the another end. So if you click that, is show you this one. Then you can jump is to these contents, and these contents refer to over 0.3. So this section or lecture 0.018. So I may keep adding something if I haven't added that before, so that will make some here. So and within the free plan is also they have media. So let's see here, I can add a video icon. So you may use that to look for the different videos easily. So let's don't waste time. Is come to here. I will create here, then our new folder 018. And with this folder, we can see create our this animate example. Animate example. So I just use this as the Python name. Oh, my headset is from Manim. Import everything. So when you see this light green, congratulations. So that means your Manim package or library is recognized. We actually take quite many times to make that work. That means during this our video, if you also in the middle reinstall your PC, you must have 2 times installation. So that class is interesting. Is why this scene is waveline. But let's continue. Constant construct and the self. So I hope is these first 3 lines you are already quite familiar. So let's create our square from the square object. Set fill. You remember is we can make that as a chain. So and fill as the red opacity. Opacity equal to 1.0 means there's no opacity. Opacity means not transparent. So self add square. So when we make that add, we already can have our the square that come to our static this image. So let's make the to come to our folder 4.2 and then 018. Yeah, so let me list down that is Manim PQL. Just go to the local with a video, so animate, and then animate example. I hope it's running. Let's make that test. So look at here is generate things, but it's let's see what generate is coming to here, but it's not opened. So let's see, it's already generated. So with this fully filled red color, red square. So let's do that. The static image is not our purpose. We need to let them play. So we use this play square animate. So that is the method we will introduce from this sample. So white. So set fill. So that means is we will set that to from red to white. Let's I already have auto save, so I don't need to make the save. So now is you can see here. Let's play again. Red change to white. So that is the thing, and the self wait 1 second. Otherwise, it's closed. And then self play another animate. So square animate. So we can have this shift go to up and together make a change. So rotate. So we rotate is 1/3 pi. So pi divided by 3. So you don't need to have too many space. Self dot weight. So now let's already auto saved. Let's play. This will open the media player like this. Change, weight, rotate, and 1/3 pi. So you can watch this again. So color is changed. So if you don't want see that in more detail, is let's just change that to blue, and then I made this just more. So you can see very easily you will have every time is you will have 1 second. So rotate another part and yellow. So let's make this run. Then you will have more effect. So play 10. So change, rotate, change color, rotate, change color. So it's a keep go to up every time is they go to up. So 2 times and rotate 1/3 pi. But from red change to white, change to blue, change to yellow. So that is the change 3 times color. So that is the method. Is you can see square is what you defined as our this M object, and you can make the change. Change means is you can set fill. So that is kind of the properties or that you can apply to this M object. For that is you can also add animate. So animate is to make your change. If you don't have animate, they will directly go to the target property, and then when you do this animate in the middle is this change will get some animation effect. Similarly is that this shift, if you don't have animate, it just go to the upper and so let's see. So if I remove this animate, then compared to the second one, so let's make that again. So so shift up. Oh, so this shift is you cannot because that is the animate part. Let me see if I don't have this animate from white to blue. What's that means? Because that is side fill, doesn't need animation. So scene play. So these are play. So add, self add. So square. Let me see. So shall I make that as the add instead of the play? because when you make that play, it will be the animate. So white, you see, from white to blue. Now we don't use play, we use add. Add means are static things, and you don't make that as an animate. So if you change that to play, you can add animate. Then from white to blue, you have 1 second around this to change the color. Then you can see the middle's this animating effect. So that is the difference is when you have this animate, you can show this process between the two state. We finished this 018. Next one is we will talk about the animation runtime. See you in 019. Bye for now.